and beautiful weather to ride. I'm telling you, I love monsoon rides. Are one of my favorite rides. I just love riding in monsoon. Who doesn't like to be around the beach during monsoon? I love it. What about you guys? Do you like? And suddenly it started pouring here. Suddenly, all this while it was nice. Not you see this? To my right, the sky is clear. The sun is just coming out, and to my left, there's full dark cloud and it's drizzling. It's raining, and to my right, clear sky. Wow, that's the beauty of nature. Clear sky one side and rainbow again. Look at that, rainbow welcomes us again. I just don't know what is about this place. Every time I come around this place, I see rainbow. I just don't know what is it about this place. Every time. This is the third time I think I'm riding on this stretch, and then you see the rainbow there. Check that out. Such beautiful rainbow. Whoa. And this happens to me very often in this stretch. Beautiful rainbow. And round the corner is Maravante beach, so I'm gonna stop there, get some photos with the dads. And then where's the rainbow gone? It's just disappeared. It was there right in front of us, and then it just disappeared because there's full clouds here. Let's see, if it's raining too heavily, I don't want to stop near Maravante. But then even if it's kind of drizzly bit, I think that will be a good idea to stop there. And there you see, we take a left turn from there, we have Maravante. So we'll stop there. I think it's a good time to stop there, and you know, even the riders will like it. Who doesn't like to be around the beach during monsoon? I love it. What about you guys? Do you like? Comment below and tell me, how do you feel about going to beach during monsoon? You like it, you don't like it, whatever is your feeling, let me know. Look at that, that's no visibility forward at all, zero visibility kind of a stuff because of rain. Just look at that, hardly 50 meters ahead, no visibility. This is one of a kind place where you have sea on one side to your left hand side, and then you have the river on to your right hand side, and then you have the Sangam going ahead. One of a kind sight. We'll stop a little ahead. There's this parking place, so we'll go there and stop there for a while. And now what you see on your right hand side is the river bed. So I'm not able to show it properly, but then onto the right hand side there's river. Very unique to this particular area. And further we'll just stop. I'll put an indicator. So let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. So a quick break at Maravante, and now we are off to Byndoor. So Byndoor, the place that we are going, it's about 23 kilometers away, and it says 24 minutes. And suddenly it started pouring here, suddenly. All this while it was nice, not raining, but then suddenly it started pouring. And beautiful weather to ride. I'm telling you, I love monsoon rides. Are one of my favorite rides. I just love riding in monsoon. Last 2 years, because of COVID and all of it, could not do too much of a monsoon ride, but otherwise I just go crazy with monsoon rides. This year, this particular ride marks my first monsoon ride, and there are a lot of them to come. So we've got monsoon in DK up till end of August, so we'll have a lot of that. We had to take a deviation to go towards our place, so we've taken that, and now we are heading towards the location. There's a little bit of off-road to get into this place. So one of the rider had gone ahead. He wasn't aware of that we need to take a deviation, so he had gone ahead. So I had to go get them. And once they were there, we're now entering the place. So this is a forest area. That's what I was told. You have a sunset viewpoint. It's quite a place, nice. And the best part is the rain has stopped here. Looks really good. Wow, this is a beautiful place. Never knew there's something like this here. So this is Byndoor. So you have this U-turn which goes. So there's a sharp turn coming in. You'll have to take that sharp turn coming in, and you'll reach to this place. Very beautiful. And look at this place. There's complete water now filled in this place. and this is that forest area that you need to enter. I don't think so otherwise are you allowed or not, but today we've got special permission here to come in. And yes, we are almost there. Wow, beautiful location, beautiful location. You can see the beach there, I believe. And here we are. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆರಾಮಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಎಸ್